Hi guys, Tony here from my leisure home. Going to do a quick video tour of this behind me. This is the Victory Lochwood. Do apologise the hand and the squinting. It is very sunny here in Skegness, as you can see by the shine on my forehead. So I'll be really quick. I'll flip you around and we'll go and take a wander around inside. Bear with me. There we go, that's a little bit better. I can see a bit better now. So as mentioned, this is the Victory Lochwood. Now you may have seen this previously on our channel. I am redoing this video because we've actually dropped the price, so do ignore that one in the window there. This is now priced for an off-site sale. So this is a 38 by 12 foot holiday home, has 2 bedrooms, now available as an off-site. It is brand new, ex-demo, so it's never been stayed in, never been lived in. A perfect choice for anyone looking for a holiday home for their own land, whether that be for a self-build, you want something a little bit more comfortable and looks to stay in, a family annex, office space, or whatever you desire, whatever you need extra room on your land for, this could be the perfect option. And now at this fantastic price, you really can't go wrong. So we'll start off in the lounge. As you can see, you've got an L-shaped sofa just there that is freestanding. I have left the tab out just underneath so I can show you all. As much as this is a 2-bedroom, it does have a pull-out bed just under there. So this holiday home can sleep 6. You've got those large windows at the front that pull in all that natural light. Coffee table just in the centre there. And then lots and lots of storage just over here. So you've got your electric fire, mirror just above, and a place to pop your TV just on there. And just look at all the storage you have in here. Even as I flip you around to the dining area, you can see there's even more storage just under that bench seat in there. A great feature, especially for your own land if you're in need of extra storage space. So everything in here, all the furniture is freestanding, so it can be moved about and changed if you wish. Moving on into the kitchen then. Here we have it. So the first cupboards you come to house your brand new integrated fridge freezer. You do still have all the manufacturer's warranties, individual with all appliances in this holiday home as well, which is incredible for the price. So you've got your microwave built in just there, all matte black finish throughout, which really works well with the colour scheme in here. Your extractor fan, 5-ring gas hob with your cooker just below. As we move forward through the kitchen, you can see there is plenty of cupboard and storage space. And just in this one at the end here, you also have a dishwasher. Just behind this cupboard, you do have your boiler, and there's also some extra room in there for storage. So we'll start with the master bedroom and work our way through. So just in here, as you can see, you've got your king size bed, overhead storage, a lovely plush headboard, reading lights either side, plug sockets with USBs, and you have freestanding bedside tables either side as well. On the opposite side of the room, you have your chest of drawers with mirror just above, place to pop a TV should you wish. And then we have your double wardrobe, full-length wardrobe just there. Through this door, there's me, hello. We have your ensuite shower room. So this is a really nice large end shower with that lovely mermaid board surround. Matte black finishes throughout again. Your toilet, mirror, sink basin, and then storage shelf just below. So even though this one's only a 38 by 12, you do have an ensuite as well. Really nice finishes and features in here. So I'll show you the guest bedroom next before the family bathroom. So in here you have your 2 single beds, plenty of room, full-size wardrobe just there. And again, you have your plug socket with USB charging points just in the center there. And again, a freestanding bedside table. So if you would like to remove that and change the beds to a double, there is plenty of room in here to do so. And those lovely headboards at the back there as well. One thing I did miss out actually that I will go back and show you in the master room, just with regards to storage in here, it is a really well thought out layout in here, but just under the bed, this isn't an ottoman, however, there is storage under the bed. There's flappy panels either side for extra storage solutions. So last but not least then, I'm going to take you into the main bathroom. So just in here, again, you have that lovely large end shower. You have a waterfall shower head just there as well. That beautiful mermaid board surround. You have your toilet, storage cabinet just above the floating sink, and then more storage just below as well. And again, just those really lovely matte black finishes everywhere. So this again is the Victory Lochwood. It is now available as an off-site purchase for just £35,000, and that includes delivery of up to 50 miles of Skegness. So if you're in need of some extra accommodation, perhaps you're looking to start an Airbnb venture, need the space for family or friends on your own land, even like I say, office spaces, staff accommodation, family annex, whatever the need, this could be the perfect fit for you. If you'd like any more information or would like to come and take a look around, this is actually situated on our showground here in Skegness currently, North Parade PE251DB. I will pop that in the write-up as well in the comments. So if you would like to come and take a look, you can either set up an appointment or simply have a browse on our showground. If you'd like any more information or would like to schedule an appointment, do get in touch on 01754 252 889 or 07425 77 3030. Thanks for watching, guys.